Welcome everyone. In this lesson, we will talk about clause. What is a clause? We will see its definition and we will see types of clauses. So guys, let's begin. What is a clause? A clause is a group of words that contains a subject and a verb. It may or may not express a complete thought. If it does express a complete thought, it is main or independent clause. If it does not express a complete thought, it is a subordinate clause. Now let's see types of clause. There are two types: independent or principal clause and dependent clause. Dependent clause is also two types: subordinate clause and coordinate clause. Subordinate clause is also three types: noun clause, adjective clause, and adverb clause.